Steps to get enlightenment. To achieve enlightenment in Buddhism, practitioners typically follow a structured path that involves various stages and practices. The process is often outlined through the Noble Eightfold Path and the 4 stages of enlightenment. Here's a detailed overview of these steps. Noble Eightfold Path. The Noble Eightfold Path is a fundamental framework in Buddhism that guides individuals toward enlightenment. It consists of 8 interconnected practices. 1. Right understanding, grasping the 4 noble truths and understanding the nature of reality. 2. Right intention, cultivating thoughts of love, compassion, and non-attachment. 3. Right speech, engaging in truthful, harmonious, and beneficial communication. 4. Right action, acting ethically by avoiding harm to others, including refraining from killing, stealing, and sexual misconduct. 5. Right livelihood, choosing a profession that does not cause harm to others and contributes positively to society. 6. Right effort, striving to develop wholesome states of mind while abandoning unwholesome ones. 7. Right mindfulness, maintaining awareness of body, feelings, thoughts, and phenomena to cultivate insight. 8. Right concentration, developing deep states of meditation, jhana, to focus the mind and achieve tranquility. These elements are categorized into 3 essential trainings: ethics, sila, meditation, samadhi, and wisdom, prajna. 4 stages of enlightenment. In Theravada Buddhism, enlightenment is often seen as progressing through 4 distinct stages. 1. Sotapadana, stream enterer, the first stage where one gains insight into the Dharma and is assured of enlightenment within 7 lifetimes. This stage involves overcoming doubt and developing confidence in the Buddha's teachings. 2. Sakadagami, once returner, the second stage where one significantly reduces attachment and aversion but may still return to the human realm once more before achieving full enlightenment. 3. Anagami, non-returner, the third stage where one has completely eradicated sensual desires and ill will, ensuring that they will not be reborn in the human realm but will attain nirvana upon death. 4. Arrogant, worthy one, the final stage of enlightenment, where one has fully realized the truth of existence, completely liberated from all fetters, attachments, and achieved nirvana. Achieving enlightenment is a gradual process that requires dedication to ethical living, meditation practice, and the cultivation of wisdom. By following the Noble Eightfold Path and progressing through the 4 stages of enlightenment, practitioners aim to realize their true nature and attain liberation from suffering.